Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need a browser that supports Chrome extensions. On Android, install Kiwi. Once installed, open Kiwi and navigate directly to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you add extensions. Make sure you sign into your Google account so settings and bookmarks sync. This saves time later. You'll grant permissions when prompted, so be ready to accept site access and background activity. Start by searching the extension name, tap Add, and move to the next step once the extension appears in Kiwi's menu. Once the extension is added, open Kiwi's menu and choose Extensions to view installed items. You must enable the extension and check its permissions, site access, storage, and background sync, so it behaves correctly on mobile pages. If the extension has settings, tap Configure and adjust options for mobile layout or data limits. Some require enabling keyboard input or overlay permissions. Make sure you toggle any per-site access to allow it on the domains you use most. After configuring, test with a page you're almost done. Open a site the extension should affect and verify it works. Pin or enable its icon for faster access. If behavior is inconsistent, restart Kiwi and confirm both the browser and extension are up to date. Make sure permissions weren't blocked. Regrant if necessary. If something goes wrong, disable other extensions that might conflict, clear browser cache, and reinstall the extension. If it still fails, use Remote Desktop to access Desktop Chrome as an alternative workaround, and then test again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.